around, the fun never ends. Today I'm going to be doing a video of POOPAROOs. So it looks like there's a pink glittery toilet. And it shows you like on the side, so it looks like your little creature is going to be inside the toilet, like when you open it. And then there's like 3 little baggies up here where the poop is. You can open that and you get your 3 bags and you put it in the toilet after when you get your critter, I think. And then you put water in it and you stir it around. And that's why I have water. So let's get started. So, I think you can just go like that or something. Oh, here. Let's make sure that doesn't fall. Oh, and it looks like it comes with, it also like comes with a like little spoon to mix it around and stuff. So then you don't have to use your fingers, you know. Guys, we have it opened. Okay. So this is it. There's like even like a little bathroom all over it. So I have some handy dandy scissors here to cut these elastics. 1, 2. See, they're little elastic bands. And just cut those. Cut that. Oh, this is a little bit of plastic. And one more behind here. Oh, perfect. Okay, so unravel that. I'm probably going to reuse this little bathroom because it's really cute and stuff, you know. Like there's a little carpet and everything and a little critter over there. And here's your little spoon that you get inside. There you go. Okay, so you get a little spoon to mix everything up. So yeah, let's get started to move everything to the side. Okay, so first I'm going to open our little critter. So let's open this. It comes in a blind bag. Oh, there's a little bit of cardboard. It comes in a blind, oh my god, it like opens that too. And then you can get your surprise. Whoa, it looks like it's glittery blue. Oh my god, I got the whale! Oh my god, I got the little cute whale! Look at the water and stuff. And then there's like little holes in it too. Oh my god, and look at its little fin. Well, that guy's so cute. Look how cute he is, guys. He's so cute. Okay, let's put him out the side. Sorry, little buddy. You'll get shown a lot in this video. Yeah, put it right there. Okay, now it's time to open this part with the little poop. Oh my god, and it's so cute because like a little toilet paper roll, you could like make your own toilet paper. Ooh, okay. Very clumsy. 1, 2, and 3 blind bags. So this is the part, okay, sorry, Mr. Whale, you gotta pour some water in. This is the part I think you're supposed to use the box. And should it kind of ruined, but whatever, I'll find it. Okay, yeah. Yep, it's definitely in the toilet. You pour the water inside the toilet. Okay, let's get ready, guys. Whoa. Pour all that water in the toilet. And let's get our first one. Let's move all of us. Okay, let's put in our first one. Ready, go! Where's our spoon? Gotta mix it around. Oh, it's dissolving. Whoa. there's gooey stuff on it. Oh, I think I'll let it soak in here after. Well, I'll put it in here for now. Yeah, actually, no. Don't want to spill the water, guys. Okay, yeah, it's sticky. I think there was like some sort of substance glue in there, but you know, that's okay. Whatever, I can't open that right now, but that's our little charm. I will show you a little cupcake charm. I wish it like actually had like one of those little charm things, so then you could actually like put on a charm bracelet and you can have a bunch of little charms and collect them, but that's okay. The water is gluey. Okay, so stay up please. So we're gonna go with the next one. This one feels like really skinny, like, you know, so I'm gonna try this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna let it dissolve a little bit. It goes into magic water. Okay, I think it's coming out, guys. Where is it? What? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. I'm going to have to open the lid. And, oh, it goes all the way back here. Okay, I think I'm going to dive in with my hands. Oh my god! We got a little cactus! Doop doop and a doop doop and doop doop. That's cute. You guys can be friends now. Okay guys, the last one is coming up. We're gonna put this one. This one feels really big. It also feels like a poo. Like one of those little swirl poos. Like this one on the back of the toilet, but a tiny bit smaller. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Plop. Okay, stir and stir and stir. Oh my god, the water like turned blue. Ew. Stir it around, make sure all the glue's off of it, or substance or whatever. Oh, I was right, guys! It's a tiny little cute poo. It's a little cute bronze poo. It's a bronze. It's the color blonde. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. So all 3 of these can be little buddies now. Okay. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with this water. But. So, I'm going to pour this water back into this. Okay, guys? Okay, let's see. It's like blue. You guys are going to see the substance. That just looks so weird. Whoa. Well, we have our little cute toilet. You can definitely still keep that. So I'm going to put that substance at the side. And now, you feed your little buddy. So you take one of these, right? You put him on the toilet. Put him on the toilet. Then, open his mouth. Oh. Open his mouth. And plop it in. Make him chomp it, chomp it, chomp it. See? And then he poops it out. Like, that's so cute, guys. And then, like, this is like a little squishy. So, hope you guys enjoyed my video today. And I hope you come back for my other videos that I'm going to be doing. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!